Hello, my name is Kamyong. I'm the coder and introduce my teammates.
Hi, I'm Jing Yao Ki.
Hi, I'm Praveen, and today we're going to talk about this project. Well, the goal of this project is to put in a reference input, which is the voltage, and the input goes into a physical property, which is the motor. Then a sensor was used to read the output of the physical property, which is the RPM of the motor. That information is written back to the system and was compared to the reference input to give us the final output value, which is the measured RPM. Thank you.
So this is the floor plan that we wanted to do. First, we asked the user input like how many revolution per second. It's like 1 to 5. This is our maximum speed from the DC motor. And then once they key their input, we activate the motor start from 0.1, and then we compare the user value and the speed sensor value. So if there's a difference, we multiply by a constant kPAR, and then until we get the user input equal to the motor speed sensor value. Welcome to our board. This is the sensor, and this is a H bridge which distribute the power to the motor, and the wires are extra powered by the battery because the power from the USB cable is not sufficient. That's why we have the H bridge to connect the battery to add extra power when needed. For instance, our voltage, we can increase and decrease the voltage, and we can measure the rotation. You can see it's increasing from 1 to 5, but I think the battery is a little bit off, so it gets until 4 rotation, and it will get back up again from 1 to 4 again. Okay, so these are the code. Firstly, we set the H bridge as an output. This is a H1B as an output, and then we count for the speed sensor, which is this thing, and you can see there's an encoder and the sensor, the tiny black box. So you count how many holes and how many lights passes through at a given period. All right, and here is the code for the rotational speed, and here is to you begin the serial is this box like showing this thing, and you have to set your motor as output is 6, your RPM start from 0, and then start increasing, and then get the differences, and you keep on adding until you get your desired speed. That's all. Thank you.